Okay, I've been doing this for a while and I've noticed some things that are happening that sort of happen across all these devices. I have found the cloud software very useful in some cases. And through my little journey, I tried to put together a book. And obviously, some of the updates coming through now, there's been some changes, so it may not be totally perfect. However, pretty good. So a lot of my clients will have an Apple iPad, a Windows laptop, and a Samsung phone, which is a diabolical way to manage everything. But in most cases, I've been able to get through and work out what's going on. So this book is to try and save you some bucks on technical people coming out, because I know most people say, oh, it's the hard drive, or they say it's a virus, or I've been hacked. This way you can sort of have a bit of a look through and try and work out what it is yourself and be able to have a little bit of thing. I've actually written in this book, like I've drawn on it to focus your eyes, because I put heaps of pictures in there and it started looking like super formal and it just got boring to read. So, and it got to a point where I didn't want to read it. And I'm like, so now I've just circled things and, hopefully it will get you through. Um, it's is it going to reduce costs to start to from getting an IT guy out? Maybe, hopefully it will. I know that a lot of people out there on pensions are looking for some sort of guide to this, and this one's been hard because I'm trying to connect the cloud accounts to give you an overall with all your different devices, so you can get things done. And how to test out some things. Not everything's in there because I just tried to keep it to, it started getting to 40, 50 pages and I started going, look, there's a point where no one's reading this. But hopefully it saves you a couple of bucks if you do need help. Um, Contact me or have a look at some of the other stuff I'm doing. I wish you all the best, all of it. And I'll see you in the next vid.